how to auto cash out on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will simply show you how you can auto cash out on Cash App, so you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now if you're aware, there must have been a feature called auto cash out, but in order to tell you that the auto cash out feature has actually been removed from Cash App because the company simply removed this feature. Now nobody understands why they removed it, because it was an amazing feature. As said by everybody, we constantly put money and then it would automatically withdraw it to our bank or to our debit card, which is basically also called auto cash out. And then in order to, if I just go ahead and then open the Cash App and then make sure that I'm under this dollar icon, I tap on the cash out button and I choose the amount of money that I want to withdraw to. I only have two options, which is the standard and the instant, but clicking on either of these is absolutely going to do nothing. It means that previously we had an auto feature, but now we do not have that feature, so you just have to keep it in mind. So if you're trying to auto cash out, then right now there's no way that you can do that, but just stay tuned for the future, because hopefully Cash App might update this feature again, and I'm going to update you and everybody else on it. And that's all it takes to auto cash out on Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.